Welcome to Smart Kitchen Products Hub. Today, we're reviewing one of the best glass food storage container sets of Dalawang Libot Dalawang Putanim. This premium set includes multiple container sizes with airtight locking lids for everyday food storage. Perfect for meal prep, leftovers, fresh fruits, vegetables, and lunch packing. Leak-proof snap-lock lids help keep food fresh and prevent spills. Microwave-safe glass lets you reheat food without transferring it to another container. Store meals in the freezer with confidence while preserving freshness. Compared with plastic containers, glass resists stains, odors, and is built to last. If you're looking for durable, reusable, and versatile food storage containers, this set is an excellent choice. Check the product link in the description. Like, subscribe, and follow Smart Kitchen Products Hub for more honest kitchen product reviews.